Did people make money online?
Making money online.
Best ways to make money online.
It seems like online gurus just love to overcomplicate shit. So in this video, I'm just gonna be completely straight up with you and tell you exactly how you could start an online business. And no, your age doesn't matter. You also don't need any experience whatsoever with computers or AI, because what I'm about to teach you is considered, and in my opinion as well, one of the best online businesses to start in 2026. My name is Romayroh, and since 2018, I've been doing something called YouTube automation, which to this date, just by doing that, I have made over $2 million. Now, if you've never heard about YouTube automation, I'm gonna play a 5-second clip here of one of my videos, just so you can see what it looks like and we're on the same page.
7 million customers across 13 states and the District of Columbia. The electricity bill around.
Now, as you can tell, I didn't show my face or use my voice, and that's because the entire video was made with AI. Now, I know what you're thinking. Oh, fuck. I don't know anything about AI. I'm not very good with computers. Everything I see about it seems to advance. Relax. Okay, AI has advanced so much in the last 6 months that a literal child can do this. You know, a 5-year-old with an iPad can definitely knock this out. Anyways, very quickly, I'm gonna show you some of the results that I've gotten with my YouTube channels, you know, just so you could see what's up. So this is channel number 1. It's in the celebrity news niche. I started it in 2020, and so far it's gotten 211 million views, and that's made me over $1,025,000. This is my second channel in the top 10 TV show niche. It's gotten 44 million views, 90,000 subscribers, and that's paid me over $240,000. Channel number 3 has 56.7 million views, 144,000 subscribers, and that's paid me $294,000. Now, I know you look at my numbers and you think to yourself, fuck that could never be me. And I say that because I understand your position. In the past, when I watched videos exactly like this, I kind of couldn't envision it, which is probably the worst mentality to have, especially when trying to start a business, but it's the truth. I could have never imagined making this much money online, but I truly want you to know that there is nothing special here. The people that you see online making money, including me, there is nothing special, okay? I am not better than you. I am not smarter than you. It literally just comes down to who actually pulls through with it and does it. What I'm trying to say is that it's easier than you think. And you know, there's so many online gurus that try to make it seem like they're holding something super secret from you. They're pretending that they have a secret strategy that you have to pay them $5,000 for. All you have to do is pick an original niche. Just post shit that nobody else has posted before. And if you come to me and you're like, hey, Romayroh, I want to start a YouTube channel in the health niche, I'm gonna tell you to fuck off. Okay, because everybody and their mom is starting a YouTube channel in the health niche. Now, I'm not saying it wouldn't work. Would you make it? Maybe, possibly, but why make it complicated? Another example, if you come to me and you're like, hey, Romayroh, I wanna start a YouTube channel in the criminal documentary niche. I wanna cover murders and shit. Again, good luck, bro. You know, the channels that succeed in that create really high quality videos and have huge teams to help them. So is it the best place to start? Not really. Just do something easier. You know, and I can teach you how to do that in the simplest, easiest way possible. There is no reason to make this hard for yourself. Fuck what any of those other gurus say, bro. Do yourself a favor and pick an easy niche. For example, this is another one of my YouTube channels. I started this in May 4th and it had 0 subscribers, 0 videos, 0 views. It got monetized in just 12 days with only 5 YouTube videos posted. And so far, it's already made over $1,000, which obviously it isn't a crazy amount, but I only posted 5 videos. And the total cost of production with the current AI tools we have, it was probably under 50 bucks. And by the way, I did nothing crazy. I didn't do anything crazy with the SEO. There's not a specific graph I look at or a specific technique. I just fucking do it. Now, if you have no idea what YouTube automation is, I'm gonna quickly explain that, and I'm gonna explain how you get paid from making videos. YouTube has something called RPM, and what RPM means is the amount of money you get paid per 1,000 views. Now, yes, YouTube pays every 1,000 views that you get. So if your RPM is $5, and for the entire month you get 1 million views, that means that for that month, you should get paid around $5,000. Some niches pay more, some niches pay less. Speaking of, let's talk about niches. People get really weird when it comes to picking a niche. So I'm gonna tell you this. If you're a complete beginner, you have no business worrying about going into a niche with high RPM, okay? Because the majority of the niches that have a high RPM are really complicated. Either they're really expensive to make videos on, or the quality has to be extremely high. Either way, it's gonna be a little bit more difficult if that's your first channel that you're starting. Now, of course, in the scenario that you do it and it succeeds, yeah, that's a possibility. But again, fuck that, bro. And I say that the way I do because a lot of beginners come to me and they're like, hey, Romayroh, what's the highest RPM niche I could get into? I'm ready to start. It's like, dude, you're not ready for something like that. All right, start with something chill first, okay? But again, do what you want. Okay, I'm just trying to give you a heads up here. But anyways, let's go ahead and move on to production, right? How do we actually create these videos and what is it that you have to do? Well, production is made up of 3 key things: the script and the voiceover that's going to commentate your video. These 2 things can be done in around 15 minutes. Of course, we're using AI for that. Now, the editing is a tougher cookie, but you do have 2 options for this. Option number 1 is that you can go on Fiverr.com or Upwork.com or YTjobs.com and you can find editors for as low as 20 bucks a pop. But if you don't have the money to invest like that, just learn how to edit. Right? It looks scary, I'll give you that. As a beginner, when I first saw it, I was like, nah, I'm not doing that. But if you sit down for 10 minutes and just do it once and you start, following a tutorial, you're gonna realize that it's extremely easy to do. In my school community, I've taught people of all ages how to edit, and they always say the same thing. They say, damn, that's pretty easy to do. Now, of course, there are members of my community that do struggle to edit. Some members have reported that they take 6 hours per video. Others have said it takes them 2 days. But in my opinion, it's completely worth it. Because I could stop posting on this YouTube channel, the one where I only posted 5 videos and I made $1,000, and this channel is still going to passively make me money throughout the months. Because YouTube is gonna keep counting how many views I get. So every single month, I'm going to be getting a paycheck from this YouTube channel, regardless if I post or not. But if you are going to outsource this and hire an editor, a day you're probably gonna spend 30 minutes max, by doing YouTube automation. And as for the results and when they should happen, you should know that, because if you're a creative person, you're creative, right? You have a little bit of, yeah, I'm creative. and I've taught thousands of people how to do YouTube automation, and I've had some, a few people that just weren't creative. Do you think you could create something that catches people's eye? Do you think you know what an entertaining video is? Do you know what good movies are and bad movies are? For example, if someone said Interstellar is a terrible movie, I'd be like, that person's not creative. They don't understand. And, there's nothing wrong with that, but, it's just something that comes natural to people. Some have it, some don't. But then again, it completely depends. I'm not gonna sugarcoat this. At the end of the day, this is a business. I can give you my same exact system where some students have seen results within the first 30 days. Some of them joined my community and never even tried. And also 30 days, 15 videos, that's kind of what I've noticed the average is of when members of my community start seeing results. It's not a number I made up. And also, I want to be clear about something. I did not come from money. I used to be a dishwasher at a restaurant that was connected to a gas station in the middle of the desert. And in this desert, for a few years, I lived in a trailer. It was like GTA, bro. It was in the outskirts in the middle of nowhere. And the only reason I lived there is because my dad worked at dairy farms. And the only dairy farm in the state of Nevada was in Amargosa Valley, which again is in the middle of fucking nowhere. We didn't have any money, we didn't have any connections, and we didn't have any help. So I figured this out myself and I got to where I am by myself with trial and error and consistency on YouTube. And I get it. When you look at videos like this, dude, so many gurus, dude, they look fucking plastic. They look fake. You can just tell by the shit that they post on their social medias that there's something off about them. I mean, 90% of them don't even seem like real fucking people. So if you're watching videos like this, just know that I understand exactly how you feel. I know exactly in what position you're in, dude, because I was there. And in the past, when I'd watch videos like this, the other person on the other side of the screen was kind of teaching me something. I don't know, but regardless, they try to sell me a $1,000, $3,000, $5,000 course, or they try to make me book a call for a one-on-one. That shit would piss me off. That's why I make the videos I do. I'm making the videos that I wish I had when I was in that trailer. I'm making the tutorials that I wish I could see. That's my exact approach with this YouTube channel, with my community, and with everything that I do. You can Google me anywhere. You can see any of the comments of all of my videos. I've been doing this for 2 years now. You're not gonna find a single negative thing about me because I always try and make everything right with every single person I deal with. Right now, we are, I believe, at the peak of AI, okay? This era of AI is now starting on YouTube. On the 22nd of May, on YouTube specifically, it changed even more. And the opportunity right now is endless. The playing field is now fair for everyone on YouTube because it's no longer the old algorithm it was. Now it's controlled by AI. So as of right now, the algorithm doesn't care how many subscribers you have, how many views you have, how many videos you've posted. You can be an absolute beginner at this. But if you understand what the AI wants from you, dude, that's fucking game. There's nothing else. Now, the process of making these videos, it is very simple. Okay, there's a shit ton of tools out there for you today. You just have to do the bare minimum to not get hit by YouTube. And you have to understand exactly what type of videos to post. So what I'm gonna tell you right now is to pursue ghost niches, aka original niches. Now, that doesn't mean you have to invent anything new. You just have to make faceless videos on something that nobody else is. And trust me, right now there's a lot, because the mentality and the go-to way to start a YouTube channel or a faceless YouTube channel is to copy the best performing YouTube channels and niches. Right? If you go to any other coach, they're just gonna tell you, find a successful channel and copy it. That's not how this works anymore. So that's what everybody did. So if you really look, there is a blue ocean right now. For example, I was the first one to start a YouTube channel where I covered news about country music artists. Could you believe that there wasn't a single faceless channel that did it before? I'm also the first one to start a faceless channel that's focused on gas prices. I was also the first to launch a YouTube channel that focused only on factories and businesses shutting down. I was also the first to make a YouTube channel on agriculture news where I talked about farmers and the production aspect of it. And there are so many other topics that I have in line to create channels on that I don't even know where to start. If you're going to use AI to create your scripts, I recommend using Claude. In the models, you want to use Sonnet 4.6, and you want to make sure that in your prompt, you instruct it to add perplexity, burstiness, and complexity to every single script. For the video editing, make sure you do a transition every 6 seconds. For the background music, you can use story blocks or epidemic sounds. I highly recommend getting a subscription for that. For the SEO, you can use VidNinjas, vidIQ, or Vilio. And for the AI voiceover, you want to use ElevenLabs. That is literally all you need. You do not need anything else. Take the small information I just gave you, which is the main core, main key, and main secret of each one, and try this yourself first, okay? And if you see results, and you see it working for you, I highly recommend looking into my school community. In here, you're gonna get over 150 video tutorials where I take you step by step on how to start a YouTube channel. From creating the page, to writing the scripts, to editing, to advanced algorithm tutorials, to sound design, to scaling, I mean, everything is here. I also update the community every single month, and I update you guys with the smallest things that I find. I also reveal most of my YouTube channels and the names on there. I also go live every single week, and this is where I speak to members directly, answer any questions, review channels. I also provide free background music. I paid a few producers to create free background music for the community, and the reason was so you don't get copyrighted. Someone is always available 24/7 to answer your question. If you have any issues, just let me know. And of course, if you didn't like it, if you didn't see any real value in it, I have a 100% refund policy. Because I'm pretty confident that if you didn't find what you were looking for there, this business model is not for you. Because all of the information that I've gathered since 2018 is there. Now, of course, that's not a guarantee that you're going to see success. That is something I cannot control. I can give you everything that I know, but at the end of the day, it's gonna be completely up to you, just like any other business. This has worked for me, this has worked for other people I've taught, but sadly, I cannot help every single one of you and guarantee success. Sit on it, think about it, check it out if you want, like and subscribe to the channel, watch more of my YouTube videos, of course, like and subscribe. And with that being said, that's pretty much it.